How to image search on iPhone from camera roll. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the icon at the bottom right corner of the photo as shown. And then, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the share icon. You can view all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Search on Google. Here, tap on Search with Google Lens below. You can now successfully perform an image search on Google using this photo. Following these steps, you can easily image search on iPhone from camera roll.